guys, we are here in
Estamos aquí festejando la fiesta de Chucho. Bye bye.
Alright guys, can you see? So this is the place you can easily see corns here. Where
are you from, Bolivia?
Where are you from?
Bolivia.
Echa Yeriki, agarra este así.
Can you see? Cocinero. Hello guys, once again welcome back again to Jack Kitchen BCN. Right now guys, we are in Europa, barbecue, Barcelona. I'm here with my family, with a friend that is doing her baby shower. It's a place that you can travel to. A wonderful place, a place you can have your fun. And it's a place you can roast your fresh meat, your corn, and anything you desire. The place is really wonderful, guys. Just keep watching, it will really amaze you. So, share the video.
Hello guys, we are here in Europa Barbecue, Barcelona, enjoying ourselves on a very good Saturday. We are just around having our fun with my family and my children. Where we are, it's called Europa Barbecue, Barcelona.
Buenas tardes, estamos aquí festejando la fiesta de Chucha Madre. Comida buena y luego más tarde a casita, a descansar, ¿vale? Bye bye.
Alright guys, can you see? So this is the place that you can easily see corns here. It's the place of... Where are you from?
Bolivia.
Can you see all of us? We are having our phones here.
Echa Yeriki, agarra este así.
Can you see?
Te lo juro. Ahí va Pachi.
So this is our cocinero. Cocinero. Guys, can you see? There's a lot of crowds. Today is Saturday. We traveled about 1 hour down to this place. And this one they are about to start roasting their own meat. So they say hola to you guys. Soy de Nigeria. Saludar mis amigos.
Hola.
Oh yeah, Sparks. It's a very large place that people came from different places to have their fun here. Dile hola. Guys, can you see? This other session also again. See. Can you see? Can you see the cocinero?
Is the chef?
Yes, the chef cook. See all that? Eh? Yeah. See all that cocinera. Bueno. Eso sí. I'm from Nigeria.
Oh.
I am from Nigeria.
Nigeria?
Yes.
Nigeria.
Yes, I'm here with my family and our friends that is doing our baby showers today. Can you see smoke?
Yeah.
Wow. Hola, amigo. Muchos saludos. ¿Cómo pasa la día? Parece muy bien, ¿no? Guys, here is my daughter and my friend daughter. In fact, they are having their good time here. Keep watching. Guys, so this is our friends that is doing her baby showers today. Guys, can you see? So this is what we are going to be eating. It's ready. Guys, now we are eating. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, guys, this time we are eating. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, and also to help me to share this video. Share it in all your platforms. Share it, share it, okay? And put your thumbs up if you want to see more of it. Bye bye.